Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today I received a package from Chris Ahrens, Lockpicking Heaven's Gate, and I am just blown away. This package weighs 23 pounds. Now, I don't know why, but Chris isn't going to be active in the lock sport community, but he sure has a wonderful channel, and he is so knowledgeable and has picked some of the best security locks you can believe. Anyways, he had contacted me the other day and asked if he could send me a package, and wow, so I could say I'm rattled. Anyway, there is a big hole right here in the side. I can actually stick my hand in there, but I'm hoping nothing fell out in transport. And I'm going to probably open this package on the end here. Might be easier to get into it. I can't get over this. What a wonderful person he is. When I first got into lock sport, I got my channel, I contacted Chris through his email and asked him, you know, if he wasn't going to be doing it anymore, and because I really enjoyed his channel very much. And I was so sad to hear that, but I know we have to all do our own thing. And I'll tell you what, this is amazing. Oh my Lord. I just can't imagine how many locks are in here, but I'm going to try to get them all out and show them. Okay, we got a Lotto lock, Panduit, and this is Abus. And so I love doing Lotto locks. You guys all know that. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna push this package back and put this light up here, maybe like that, so I can push it back farther, and then I'll have more room here to lay out locks. And I think that'll work. These keys are just something else. Alright. Can you believe this, guys? Oh, a tubular lock. I love playing with those. I have a tubular pick, but I like to try to pick them by hand. So I will, and I'll do that on my channel. There's some loose ones over here. I'm going to grab them first. We've got a Medico. I love it. Yeah, and I've been wanting to really get into that. And here's a Eversef. My goodness sakes. Oh, another Lotto lock. And I think this is a Zing, but it's an Abus, it says up on top. So there's another Lotto. I can't wait. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, Chris, I can't believe you did this. Okay, we got a Euro that's a foot long. It almost slung in my hand. And this is Izio. And these are fun to play with. Boy, that's a long one. Check that out, guys. Very cool. I love it. another Medico. Looks like the brother to this one. I don't know, maybe one has a little larger kiwi. I can't tell, maybe they're the same. Very cool. And here's a Yale. This is a wafer lock. Very cool. Well, you guys are gonna be sick of me, aren't you? All right, what do we got here? We got a master, and I gotta put my other glasses on so I can read this. Number 81. Wow. Isn't that cool? 5-pinner. Master 81. Very nice. Beautiful. Oh boy. I'll tell you what, I got some picking ahead of me, guys. Something else coming out. A Sergeant Asa Abloy. Very cool. Check out that bidding, guys. That is a beauty. Oh my gosh. Talk about Christmas. It's like Christmas and birthday all wrapped together. Eva. All right. See the bidding in there, guys? Fun. Fun stuff. All right. Just start bringing them out. Something fell out of this one. Ah, an Abus 5540. Well, I hope I have better luck with this one than I did the, I forget what that other one was, but man, it's a tough one. Very cool. Nice bidding on that one too. Yeah. Cool. Oh, thank you so much. Just keep digging. Oh, my Lord. Oh. Trying to see a name. E star S. Huh. Well, looks sort of like an Asa, but I'm not sure. But that's fun to pick. Nice bidding on that key. Those are always fun when you got highs and lows in the middle. Very cool. Oh, I love this. How much fun can one have? This is a Corbin. It's been painted. It's an older one. Very cool looking. Yeah. I'll get that pin off of there. It'll look like a pretty penny. The inside of it looks almost brand new. Yeah. Very cool. Well, I feel all kinds of stuff in here. Here's a Yale. Very nice. And you can tell this one's an older model too. Very cool. Man, I have truly been blessed. U.S. Lock. Check that one out, guys. Very nice. Here's a Schlage cylinder. Always can make some stuff out of that. I don't think that's the key, but it doesn't matter. I pin it up. Very cool. My goodness sake, there's a lot in here. Chalet. I've never heard of a Chalet before. From China, and I bet that's a fun pick. Very cool. here's a... Oh, did I set that back in there? I'm losing my head. Oh, no, there's two of them. Two U.S. locks. This one's a little different. One has... the letters are different on each one. Pretty cool. Right on. Oh my gosh, here's another Yale. This is really old, guys. Look at that. Very handsome. And here's another Eva. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, somebody let me know. Look at the keyway on that guy. That'd blow your mind, huh? Okay. Oh, I feel something else in here. Oh-wee! Look at that, guys. Another one. Very nice. So I got two oranges. It's going to be a long video. Here's a Yale, and somebody had stamped their numbers on there for their business. And it says South on the back, so they must have a big operation maybe, who knows. But that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. When I tried to get this out of my mailbox, I about threw my back out. Oh, what's this? Universal Company Hero. Made in Hong Kong. Cool. There we go. A little stiff, but hey. And that's a wafer lock. I can feel it. Yeah. Very nice. Very cool. So I can do a... Uh-oh, I feel some more. Oh, Master. I love Masters. These are a blast. Yeah. Yeah, this key looks like it needs to be straightened out a little bit, but that's no problem. I know how to do that. Very cool. Alright, two orange, two blue. Now we got a rim cylinder here. Does not say the maker of it, that I can see anyway. Sort of looks like a Yale, but I'm not real sure. Oh my gosh. Here's another Abus. Here's a 6540. Very cool. Gosh, I don't even know if I'm putting this in the camera. I'm so excited. Alright, here's another one of those cylinders. I think, yeah, it's like, no, this one's got a different keyway. Very cool. Very, very cool. I doubt if that's a Yale. Oh, but it seems like they put their name on it. Okay, I feel something back here really cool. Oh man, what's it? I haven't played with one of these and I don't know when. How funny. Alright, we're going to have fun with this one. It's got a keyway in the middle of it too. Very cool. Very, very cool. I like that. Fun. Yeah. Okay, got two ways to get in there or more. Alright. There's a Brinks. These are a blast. I love Brinks. They got a lot of spools. They're a lot of fun. Oh my gosh, Chris. This is overwhelming. Here's another U.S. lock. Very cool. Nice bidding. Number 43 it says. Oh, I think it might be a challenge lock. It's got his sign on there. The cross. Very cool. Yeah. Lockpicking. Heaven's Gate. This is a challenge lock by him. Chris Ahrens. Very cool. I don't know if this already broke it, Chris. There it went. Oh boy. Here's another Yale. Oh man, what a blast. Very cool. Alright, this looks like a Yale. I don't know if it is a Yale, but it's got a Yale Y1 keys, so could be a Yale or like a Yale. Very cool. Gosh, I have so much stuff to play with. It's just, oh, got another one of these guys. Very cool. Maybe you guys should count how many times I say cool in my video. Now I'm not going to try to pick that, but there's another one that's not right now anyway. Here's another Yale. This one hasn't been used in a long time. It's got a lot of calcium built up inside of it, which I can get out with vinegar. No problem. It takes that right out of there. Another Yale. Wow. Cool. And we got a mortise cylinder, and I don't know what brand it is, but we're going to have fun with that one too. I got plenty of cams. There's not one on there, but I got plenty. Okay, let's dig some more. Get some of this paper out. And I don't know if that's a note. No. Okay, there's some more coming through. Oh my gosh. This is a Elgin, and I've never picked one before, and you can tell it's pretty old. Very cool. Oh boy, am I going to be picking away. This one's been opened, and I'm not sure what it is. I'll figure it out. Get some more paper out. Whoa, I better be careful, my lamp will fall over and hit me in the noggin. Oh my, I don't know. We packed it good, it's just it got tore on the end, but all is good. I don't think we'd know if anything was missing. Alright, here's another master. And this one is 81. Very cool. Got me a lot of locks here, guys. Here's another master. I've never seen one with green. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see what this one is. 81. Very cool. Alright, something fell out. That goes to one of these lottos. It looks like I got some boxes. So one of them fell out of here, the Zing did. That's the Zing box for the blue one. And we got another Zing. Very nice. Another blue one. Wow. I'm going to Beastie Island. Man, this one here is like brand new. That is very nice. Yeah. Very cool. I don't see a key with this one, but you know what? We don't need no keys, right? Oh, I see some more stuff down here. Okay, here's another master, and I have an idea this is probably 81 too. Somebody cut it, but you can still pick it. Here's another U.S. lock mortise. Very cool. I tell you what, I don't know what to do with myself. Okay, I might have to move this lamp. I'm afraid it's going to fall on me. Okay, here's another one that's been cut. Let's see what it says. Number 81. Okay, master lock. Whoop. And this one looks like brand new. Very cool. 81. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Just I'm blown away. Alright, here's some more. Here's one that's been opened. And two more that had been cut. But they can still be picked. We know that. That's the fun part of it. And there's a little master. This is a warded lock. Very cool, number 22. Get some more paper out of here. And getting there, guys. Okay, here's another one. And here's a Yale mortise. And this one looks like a Yale mortise. That one. Wow. Still got a lot more in here. Okay, this one's been cut. And this is a number 1, master number 1. Very cool. And another master, 81. I'm going to be picking up a storm. I think what I'm going to do is take this box away, put this here. And the light down here. I want this here. Now, very cool. I've picked one of these yellow ones, I believe. Pinned by Lone Wolf Lockpicking. Got another challenge lock here. Very nice. Should have kept that other one separate. It's over here somewhere. Here's a Sergeant. Very cool. Get that into something, maybe. You never know. Alright, what's this here? Another challenge lock. Lone Wolf. And it's got a mummified key. So I'm going to keep the two Lone Wolves together here. And boy, I'm getting organized, aren't I? And these look like, okay, we've got us a kick right here. And I love ovals. Can't even talk right, I'm so excited. This has got to be a challenge lock. FU man. FU man. And wow, that's cool. It's a long key too. Very nice. Can't wait to pick that one. Okay. I don't know what to pick first, and there's some keys in here. This one is broken, and let's see what it says. It's the Yale with a crappy key. To get key all the way in, whack it with a heavy object. Well, I think it's been whacked. I probably can duplicate that on my machine, so. Oh, very nice. Got 3 dots on each side, and I don't know exact, but maybe that's the one crappy key goes in. Maybe. Anyway, I'm gonna have a blast. Now, here's another bag, and oh, Albert LaBelle. I've picked a few of yours, and they're not easy either. Let's see which one this one is. Dilemma. I'll have to look it up and see. I don't think I've picked this one yet. Dilemma. Okay, cool. Very nice. Oh, these must be challenge locks too. Deja Vu. Trackmaster 30. I don't think I've picked that one. I've picked one. The very first lock I ever picked on my channel, the very first challenge lock, was from Trackmaster 30. And that's another person that's kind of gone to do his thing. And I really enjoyed his channel too. Now here's a ASA stock lock. It says from Pickbeard UKLS. UK Lock Sport. Very cool. Alright, that'll be fun. And then a Russ one. Come on, Russ one. Here we go. Didn't want to come see me. Wow, what a beautiful key that is. Check out that key. That's when they made things pretty. The other side. They put a lot of work and stuff into there. Very, very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Stage. I don't know what this says. Stage something. Penned by BLP60. Oh, fun. Good deal. I don't know if that says Stage Rush or Stage Right. Oh, Stage Right, I think. Okay. Very cool. Oh my gosh, guys. Can you believe? I don't even know if you can really see them all. I'm going to tilt the camera down. Check that out. Holy mackerel. Isn't that a hoot? I don't even know if I'm aiming the camera right, but can you believe this? All these locks from Chris Ahrens, Lockpicking, Heaven's Gate. Thank you so much. I don't even know what to say to you. Gosh, I got to get back at you somehow, and obviously you don't want locks, so I've got to do something. Anyways, everybody, thank you for joining me today, and check out his channel. Boy, he has a wonderful channel, even though he's not posting anything anymore. And I wish you the very best, Chris, in whatever you're doing. And with your family. I know you got a family, they're very important to you. So, thank you again. I just don't even know what to say. Thank you. Bye-bye.